Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. This is a very special pre-sale proposal. Rona Davis and Leighton Candler of the Corcoran Group brought me in at 655 Park before this penthouse goes on the market so we can show you what the renovation possibilities are. Pull up a chair, get yourself a hot cocoa. This apartment is off the wall. 6,000 square feet, over 2 floors. If you want a townhouse in the sky, this is what it looks like. I gotta warm up. Let's go take a look. Great gallery, great size. It's a little dark. We gotta open this up, we gotta light this, gotta raise these door heights up a little bit. But there was something in this apartment. What was it? Oh, Scarlett, I don't give a damn. Look at the size of this stair, this full curving staircase in a 22-foot double ceiling that leads up to the family room. And when we blow this wall out, this dining room opens up and the exposure and the light pouring through is massive. Off of the entry with this stair, this place is nuts. Let's go check out the kitchen and the family room. Come on. So now we're in the kitchen. It's a 6,000 square foot apartment. You need a real kitchen. This is a real kitchen. Double Sub-Zeros, professional cooktop with oven, windowed sink, and right now the way this kitchen is laid out, it's also a breakfast table. But the way I want to lay this out in this kind of square footage is I'm going to take the room at the front and turn that into the breakfast room, the multi-use room. I'm going to put a couch in there. I'm going to put a banquette in there with seating for 8. I'm going to be cooking in here and I'm going to be leading people into there. I could have seating for 8. I could probably get seating for 12 in there. That's how big the front room is. And this becomes the working kitchen. This becomes where people can hang out and cook with you. If you got a 6,000 square foot apartment and you've got this kind of kitchen, you can't call seamless all the time. Let's go check out the living room. You got to see this to believe this. Come on. All right, I know I told you I was going to take you to the living room. I'm saving that for the almost last, but I wanted to show you the upstairs. The upstairs is all about family, all about bedrooms. At that end of the hallway, I've got a master suite, his and her bathrooms, and a dressing room footprint that is off the wall. I've got 2 bedrooms, children's, bathroom for them. I've got a corner children's bedroom, bathroom. I got a family space, a media space here that is off the wall. Off of your 20 and change height ceiling coming up the stairs, 75-inch TV, big space, 20 people are hanging out having a great time here, no problem at all. And in this corner, I know it sounds like a boxing match, washer dryer, room, staff's quarters. I can even get a little bit of a gym in here. The layout up here, all about the family. Now I'll get some more cardio. Let's go downstairs and let's go check out the living room. You got to see this. Now we're in the library. You know it's the library because I have a cigar. There's a bay window overlooking La Terrace, the roof garden, the roof deck, the top of the world. I'll take you out there in a minute. This library and our floor plan is going to be combined into the living room to make the grandest of living rooms, 43 feet across. Entertaining? Yes, I'm going to pick this library up and move it into the adjacent room, quieter, more cigars. But the scale of this bay window and what I'm about to show you, I don't even know where this gets duplicated. Come and take a look at La Terrace outside. All right, I saved the best for last, the money shot. In Italian, this is called La Terrace. In Brooklyn, we say, oh my God, you have to see this. And it keeps going, and it keeps going. There's 100 people who can have a party out here and nobody's bumping into each other. I don't know where this is getting duplicated anywhere. The solarium inside is like the ultimate place to just chill out, read a book, take a nap. This outdoor space, the view, you are top of the world. Straight south, straight west. It's an unduplicatable layout. This really is a townhouse in the sky. It's incredible. And the expansiveness of this roof garden, this La Terrace, as the Italians say, is so cool I'm still holding on to a cigar. I hope you get a chance to check it out. Rona, Leighton, thank you for having us up. It really is that special of a residence. We included the math in this week's pre-sale proposal, and we'll see you next week with something I hope is half as cool as this with next week's pre-sale proposal. Have a great week, everybody. Bye-bye.